Oh, that's a good one too. Woo! Free Willy. So we found these little fishing poles here. $20. Pocket combo.
Tiny but mighty.
See if we can get some perch. So we're getting our little micro proficiency rods rigged up. They come with this little wire. I don't know if you can see it. You tie your line off to that wire and you run that wire through this end and through the rod, and it comes out that end. And then you can cut this off the wire and tie your hook on there.
Look at the action.
Oh yeah, it's got good action too.
Pretty sure we can feel the bite.
Think we can feel it? Oh yeah, it's got good action to it. Yep, it's gonna do it. First cast test, we'll try here.
Hey, look at the action on that.
Dang, it actually went a ways out there too, huh? It actually cast a ways.
Come on, we'll get a better one real fast.
Takes a while to crank it though, huh? Thing went, didn't it?
Oh, I had one.
Takes a lot to reel it in though.
Be fun.
Alright, so here's the setup. Like I said, it's Proficiency, find the pro in you. Proficiency. It's got a little closed face reel on it. 2.5 to 1 gear ratio. It's got 3-pound test on it, 35 yards worth. So, and it's a little less than 2 foot probably. What we've got going is, I've got mine tangled already. You know me, I'm gonna get the dang thing tangled. So what we've got going is, we've got a little bee bobber, no bigger than my finger and my thumb. We got a little split shot sinker and just a little J hook, a little perch J hook there. Little bitty thing. We're gonna get some worms and then we're gonna take them out and try them.
But it hurt hard for real.
Is it? Okay, I'm doing this backwards because I'm videoing, but try to little cast it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Can almost do it one-handed.
Then it all retracts.
Yeah, set my drag. My drag's going off. My bobber's right there on the clover. Here. Let's get this drag set. Hung up on clover right there, running that drag. Tighten that son butt down. That's probably about right there. Let's see. It's only 3-pound test, so you can pull it out fairly easy. So probably about right. We'll get some worms and take them out and try them on the old kayaks this weekend. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. That's nice right there. I guarantee you that's nice. Oh yeah, it's gonna work, thanks. All right, got our mini poles out. Been traded anyways. Josh has got a real size pole, little girl's pole they call it. This is a real man's pole right here. Out on the kayak, see if we can catch some perch. Put that dude in the old rod holder there. Oh, there he is. There he is. Y'all only thought he was too little to catch. It's a little hook. Little bitty guy there. Took him off of there. And we got a lipping. Oh yeah. Check that out. Hold him out. Oh yeah, it's at least a 10-pounder right there. Oh shoot.
about to have a day.
Y'all doing pretty good?
I caught like one. And then
I caught
hooked up
one.
on two. Oh wait, no, I caught two. I caught two because the other one was a little bitty one, and then I had one that got off.
He's on there, I think. Boy. Oh, that's a good one too. Woo! Free Willy. That's number 2 right there. That's all that boy wanted to do. I need to tighten the drag or something. He probably broke the line for tightening the drag. Little hook, hard to maneuver. Well, he got out. So much for good footage of him. Good thing we ain't hungry. Well, we didn't do too good on kayak, so back out on this little dock here. Going at some more, see what we can catch.
Sure, it's all extended all the way.
Hung up.
Already?
Yep, you know
You
me.
didn't even get off the dock in time.
I don't know how
I
well.
wonder if these poles float. Toss it.
Don't feel like it would.
Toss it in the water, Taylor. See if it floats. Safe to say there's no purchase. Oh, watch out, they stick their head out like the ones that out of grandma. That's down. Oh, I just got played with.
Oh, he's on there big time, boy.
No, you just get in one spot. You're a hunter, son.
Dude, he took it straight down though. He got me hung up. There he goes. Oh, he's on there now. Oh, he's off there now. Golly. Whatever I got messing with mine.
Ooh. Oh, man. You can run.
It's like they're taking it and running right under the rock with it. I lost my bait too. Old son got my bait. They're getting smart. They're learning.
Go ahead. You can see the water.
Got on flip flops. I think I'm hoping we have better luck noodling than we're having to perch today.
We ain't very good at perch fishing.
Dude, we tore them up yesterday.
Yeah, but hoping we didn't have the camera rolling.
Derek always said the camera's bad luck. He told me that when you go fishing with the camera, you don't catch many.
Oh, man.
You break off?
Yeah. Get my bobber. That's all that matters, right? How are you going to fish? No hook. Some up there, Taylor had some. Do you?
Yeah, I got hooks. Hey, Che, he broke off more now.
That's the first time I've broke off.
Yeah. How about that?
You never broke off?
Broke one off in that fish. Here's the hooks we're using, little eagle claw perch hooks. And we got some, you'll say Ozark Trail split shots. Oh, Joshua's got him one. Look at that. Boy.
Dude, that's a tank.
That's a tank. That's an absolute gobstopper right there, my guy.
Holy.
Look at that. Hold him up. Lip him. Lip him. Come on now.
Can't. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
I got it.
I thought you was like some sort of semi-pro bass fisherman, bass angler. I'm a semi-pro bass angler. Look at that old son.
Oh, look at the shad. Look at the shad.
Golly.
Probably a little sandy over there.
Sheesh.
I wonder if I drop my old bobber in there and eat it.
Yeah, look at all these little minnows right down there.
Oh!
Oh, look. Woo.
As soon as this thing hit the water.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, Red, I stabbed it through the eye.
What is that, 30, 40 pounder?
Yeah, something like that, I think.
At least. What are you tying on, Trey? Worm?
Tiniest hook possible that we got.
You got a little baby one? You
Yeah.
gonna try to catch one of the minnows?
I don't know, all these other ones, I think I too big of a hook.
I got a $5 bill. Says you can't catch one of the minnows. Oh my gosh. Josh is slaying them.
Oh, he took my worm.
He's got a jig head on his.
Got him. I'm telling you,
Uh-oh.
the little hook's where it's at.
The old little hook. I didn't think that one was using was too much for him, was it?
I have a pretty big jig head hook. Look at this.
So you put the little old bitty hook on there?
Yeah, the tiniest hook we have.
Is it this one? The middle one? Or?
Yeah.
I get hung up over there. Well, I'll do. So me. Oh, yeah.
What I tell you?
Golly.
What I tell you?
Oh, he's still on it, too. How'd he come off? He was for sure on there. How'd he run with it, not be hooked? Oh. Your bobber's too big. Perch can't even pull it under.
Maybe you gotta go on that far side.
You gotta go right there. Sorry, I cut you off.
Oh, shoot!
Oh, dude, he took it, man. Oh, boy.
Oh.
Come on. Oh, boy. Oh, God. Dude, it's a whopper.
Oh, he's still running.
It's a whopper, bro. Look at this thing. Oh, my gosh. See him run with it? Oh, my goodness. There's my bobber. Still can't see him, though. He's going to try to get me tangled up in the... He's going under.
You gotta get you tangled up in the cables.
Come on, big guy. Oh,
He's trying.
oh. Come on,
Trying
big
to
guy.
pull him up. Oh my
Woo.
God.
Look at that thing. He took it from way out there. That was a fight. That's a nice one. That's a nice one there. Look at that thing. Let's see if we can get him off the hook here. I'll have to go back and trailer up for that guy over there. He's got Jack back there. That was a fight, man.
I know. I looked over there and I thought you was hung up under a rock over there. Oh dang! I forgot a miner. I thought you got hung up under a rock over there. And I seen your line just think.
I'm telling you right now, that little pole makes them all pretty good
They
fight.
tore up my worm.
That's funny.
Oh, sorry.
You're good, you're good. Alright, little guy. I still got my worm too.
I still got it all tore up. Oh, you played with?
You love saying that, don't you?
I caught like 6.
Over there. Watch out. You ain't deep enough, Trey.
What?
So you ain't deep enough.
I caught really.
Yeah, we ain't catching no dinks like you've been catching though. That thing I caught there, it was at least a 1/4 pounder. Ooh. Missed him. I'm on them dinks that Trey was catching. Got him. Oh, he's on there. He's a little dink. Them little Trey dinks there. Look at that guy. Oh yeah, check that out. Woo. Yeah, it's a whopper. Pretty little guy though.
Got him. But this ain't no deep. Get him.
Oh, lost him.
Not a bad one.
Right there. Oh yeah, that's where we want it. Probably can't even see that on the GoPro. This thing will cast pretty good though. Bobber, a little bitty perch hook, and a little bitty old split shot sinker.
I lost my arm.
And boy, you cast 20 yards with this thing, can't you, Trey?
Yeah.
It's really not bad for not having any rod length. I wish it was left-handed. Ooh, there he is. Ooh, look at that. Oh, threw him out. Lost him. Come off the hook. That's a catch though. He landed on dry land. Split second. Not big enough for the hook. Not there it will be though. There he is. He's on there. Come on now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Check that out. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I snagged him. Woo! I snagged him, boys. It didn't go in his mouth. Well, he's hooked good though. He's gone. All right, we're gonna go find Wayne now. Y'all like this video and hit the subscribe button and we'll keep them coming. Oh, Joshua's got him on. Look at that, boy.
Dude, that's a tank.
That's a tank. That's an absolute gobstopper right there, my guy.
Holy.
Look at that. Hold him up. Lip him. Lip him. Come on now.